Prisoners have zero privacy and murders still take place.
So today we're discussing the state of surveillance in 2026. And we're going to start off with a quote from Larry Ellison, the CEO of Oracle. This is an excellent topic, and it was recommended by Dr. Padfield. So let's start with you. Can you give us some more on this?
Unfortunately, I can give you a lot on this. And I say unfortunately because I disagree adamantly with the goal that Larry Ellison has publicly stated. His statement was, "We will have supervision." This is a direct quote. "We will have supervision. People will be on their best behavior because they're going to be recorded all the time." And then he went on to say that AI is going to be constantly monitoring video streams. And he specifically said those video streams are going to come from dash cameras, doorbell cameras, body cameras. I'm trying to remember what the fourth one was, but he mentioned 4 different video streams. And this is going to constantly be analyzed by AI. And because we all know that we are under surveillance 24/7, you step outside of your door, you're on camera somewhere. And our AI overlord, that's my term. He just said AI. But he said that the AI is going to be surveilling us, and that's going to force people to be on their best behavior. And I have so many visceral reactions to that. My very first thought, can you show me one prison in the United States that does not have any crime? Because inside of a prison, there is no Fourth Amendment. Prisoners have zero privacy. They are strip searched. There are bars. They have zero privacy. There are security cameras everywhere. And murders still take place. Sexual assault still takes place on female inmates, not by fellow prisoners, but by the people watching all of the surveillance gear. So if cameras prevent crime, then our federal prison should be utopia. There should never be any crime or any violence inside of a prison because there's cameras everywhere. So that was my first thought. My second thought was, I don't recall voting for you. In fact, I don't even recall seeing your name on a ballot anywhere. Who gave you the right to decide that I'm going to be monitored every time I leave the house? And I don't recall anyone in office today running on a platform of vote for me and I will spend $250,000 putting up flock cameras around the city to make sure that you can't go anywhere without being tracked. I don't recall a single politician ever running on that platform. So I know that our politicians are using tax dollars to put these cameras up, but people like Larry Ellison are in the midst of implementing this dystopian nightmare without a single vote ever being cast for them.